So I imagine that most of you guys are in school or have like taken a test of some sort. Not me, because I flunked out a long time ago. I feel like the worst part of school is when you take a test and there's a question on there where you don't know the answer. So what do? Like leave the question blank? Do you take a wild guess? Or do you draw a dragon like me in hopes that the teacher will find you artistic and creative and give you at least a couple points? I drew one nice Charizard one time and the teacher didn't think it was cool. Like the teacher thought it was lame. So right now we're gonna look at some funny answers that some kids put on their tests and their homework. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. And don't forget, everybody, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button. And that way you're sure to get notified every time I post a new video. So research squad, notification squad, let's do this. Okay, number one. Bob has 36 candy bars. He eats 29. What does he have now? And the answer that the kid put is diabetes. Bob has diabetes. Aww. He's not wrong. If you take the I out of diabetes, it spells dab. Diabetes. Why are there rings on Saturn? Because God liked it, so he put a ring on it. Draw a plant cell and identify its most important parts. This kid literally drew a plant inside of like a prison cell. Jeez, that plant looks sadder than grass about to get ran over by a lawnmower. Or grass that's about to be smoked. Where was the American Declaration of Independence signed? At the bottom. He or she is not wrong. Research squad, where was the Declaration of Independence signed? Not for me, I mean, I already know, but I just want to make sure that you guys know. Wasn't it signed in like Pittsburgh? You little stupid air. Wow. What ended in 1896? 1895. What did end in 1896? I'm pretty sure it was the Civil War. Wait a minute, no. The Civil War ended in like 1865 when slavery was abolished. Every time in class, if the teacher starts talking about like, says something remotely related to slavery, like the teacher will look around, I'm like the only black person in the class. Teacher will be like, let's see, Matt, what do you think about slavery? I'm like, why you gotta ask the black man what he think? You know what the black man thinks about slavery. Ask some of the white people. It says name the quadrilateral. And this girl actually named the quadrilateral. She named the square Bob, like Bob the Builder. She named the parallelogram Sam. And then she named the big rectangle Harry. Nobody spells Harry with one R. What, were Harry's parents so poor that they couldn't afford two R's? At the beginning of the month, Chang prepared a monthly car budget. For which quantity will Chang have the exact number in advance? This person drew in their own answer. They put E. Asians don't drive. I mean, geez, who was taking this test? Donald Trump? And how do they know that Chang is Asian? There could be a black Chang wearing a chain, going to PF Chang's. You know what I'm saying? Asians drive, just stereotypes suggest that they don't drive very well. I was driving the other day and there was an accident on the side of the freeway and I looked over and they were Asian. But that doesn't mean, but I always see white people getting in accidents all the time. But you know, Tracy is wrong. Use an example to show that Tracy is wrong. This person wrote, she's a woman. How many of these tests is Donald Trump taking? Okay, so for this one, you just like write what the object in the drawing is. So drawing of a taxi cab, you write cab. Okay, there's a drawing of a bag, you write bag. There's a drawing of a man with the arrow pointing to, whoa, what is this? So they wrote penis. Looking at the drawing, they're not wrong. This is homework for like first graders. Like you can't be having arrows pointing down to the ding dong. I mean, no, ding dong, no, nobody's home. You can't do that. Okay. What is this? I apologize for this crudeness. Like what? I'm not trying to criticize this kid's artistic prowess, but that don't look like no scissors. The scissors like curve at the end and scissors don't do that. It's okay. I'm sure it was unintentional by this child because they even labeled it. They labeled it scissors, okay? They didn't label it penis. You know whoever wrote this answer was black. I could feel it. My black senses are tingling. It says, nigga, you ain't teach this? Say what's on your mind, why don't you? E is for elephant. My elephant likes to eat penis. Okay, all right, this is getting ridiculous. This poor clueless child meant to write, my elephant likes to eat peanuts. But instead they wrote penis and they wrote, and eat nuts and sit by me. That's one weird elephant. Use commands to tell your sister to do the following things. They wrote, I don't have a sister. Savage. All right, for this one, they're supposed to write like, you know, this boy is sad or this boy is glad. He scraped his knee, he's hurt, and they wrote, this boy is ugly. What? Dang, the roast session is real. Like, they just put, this boy is ugly. Is it because he's white? Is that it? Is that why he's ugly? Huh? Just because the boy is wearing grandpa shoes doesn't mean he's ugly. Would you want to swim with the boy in this water? Circle yes or no. They circled no. Okay, explain your answer. No, because there's trash in the water. Yeah. And he's chubby. Everybody is so judgmental today. Like, dang. Chubby is not contagious. You're not gonna catch a disease because he's chubby. I'm just glad they didn't put something like, no, I don't want to swim in the water with this kid because he's black. That would have been, man, that would have cut deep because this kid's obviously like black, or he looks, I don't know, he looks gray. Name a solid, poop. Name a liquid, pee. Name a gas, fart. You know this was a boy. You just know this was a boy who wrote this. I mean, I feel like while this boy was doing this homework, he had to poop, pee, and fart like all at the same time, so. Okay, for this one, they're supposed to write like, you know, how you wrap a present. So they wrote, first, I get the rape. Okay, they spelled rapping wrong. They spelled it R-A-P-I-N-G. So this is gonna sound like some Mad Libs right now. First, I get the raping paper and the bow, the card, and the raping paper. Next, I put the raping paper on the box and fold it. Last, I tape the raping paper, then I put the bow and white who it's to. Oh man, you poor clueless boy. Can a man still reproduce with only one testicle? What kind of class is this? I've taken health class. They don't ask these kind of questions. I think the teacher's asking for like their own personal research. They're like, hey, so yeah, can a man still reproduce with only one testicle? I'm not asking for myself. I'm asking for a friend. Yeah, asking for a friend. And then the answer they put is no, girls don't find that attractive. Unscramble the words to make a sentence. Okay, so they have a drawing of a goat. I'm pretty sure the first one's supposed to say, my goat is in a pen. They put my penis in a goat. I'm pretty sure they meant my pen is in a goat, but they put the words too close together so it looks like my penis in a goat. That's bestiality. You can't do, no, that's not right. My penis is in a goat. Man, get that out of here. 3 ladybugs and 4 more ladybugs, so they draw 3 ladybugs and draw 4 ladybugs, okay. 4 seals and 2 more seals. What? Oh, that don't look like a seal. We need to take these kids to art class so they can learn to draw. Okay, and the last one, I think this is like chemistry. This is like a chemistry test. You know, there's like elements, the chemistry elements and stuff like that. So it says HCOON, but it looks like it says Hakuna. So they write Matata. Just do the chemistry work and leave your matatas to yourself. Boom, that's it. I mean, those were like some clever test answers. I wish I thought of this stuff. So the lesson is, if you don't know the answer to a test question, just like write something clever or funny, and then maybe you'll get the points. I mean, you never know. But thank you guys for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed. You guys can comment below and suggest like any other things you want me to watch or like react to. You guys can, you know, put it in the comments below. If there's some funny kid test answers that I missed in this video, be sure to like just tweet it at me. Got the link to my Twitter in the description below. Make sure you guys are following me because I post funny stuff on there. I'ma have another new video up on Sunday. So everybody, you know, just like, you know, set that reminder, you know, put it in the calendar, that new video Sunday. It's gonna be posted like early in the morning too, like 9:30 in the morning, California time. So I'm gonna see you guys again on Sunday. Make sure you guys watch another video. You can click right here or you can click right here. And if you're new, just make sure to click the circle to subscribe and click the bell to get notified. Dang, that rhyme. You like that. All the links work if you're watching from your phone too, so you can just tap the screen and subscribe. All the cool kids are doing it. So I'm gonna see you guys again in a few days. Till then, peace.